What's up, guys? Today, I have 3 of my mom's favorite cereals. I'm gonna pour one in a bowl. She's gonna guess which one it is blindfolded. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, I'm gonna pour one in the bowl, okay? Almond milk, baby. The best kind.
What is it?
Not yet. Let me grab you a spoon.
Frosted Flakes, Eggo.
Or Cheerios. Yellow, one bite. Can you guess? Here, I'll put the box in front of you. You can open your eyes and see what box it is. It's in front of you.
Tastes weird.
Blindfold.
Cat food يا ابن الشليتة. Cat food يا. تعال عندي بقى.
Yo, I'm gonna prank my parents. Last week they got me a new phone because my old phone cracked. So I'm gonna pretend like I dropped my new phone and show them this old phone from a distance. Let's go!
Oh my God! كسر التليفون. I swear كسر التليفون.
I dropped it.
Oh my God! You're in big shit, Kareem. I'm gonna kick your ass يا عبد الصمد.
I dropped it.
والله العظيم إذا كسرت التليفون.